Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's me. I don't know what to do for my intro yet, so it's me. It's gonna have to be it until I can find something or figure something out. So today we are gonna be doing this look right here. It's just like an oil spill, I guess. So if you want to find out how I did this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing we're going to start off with is some primer. I'm going to put on some Makeup Forever Base Hydrating Primer all over my face. Now to start off this oil slick look that I am thinking in my head, I'm going to grab a pretty flat brush, something like this, something like that. Okay. And I'm going to grab the Maybelline New York Eye Studio gel eyeliner in black, and I'm going to use that all over the bottom of my lid. So now I'm going to take it on the flat brush and just apply it to my lid. And this is going to give us a good base for the black eyeshadow. So after that, I'm just going to grab the Japanesque palette in Pixelated Color, the Pixelated Color palette, and grab this black shade right here, and take that all over my eye. What am I gonna do now? What am I gonna do? So next I'm just going to take a small blending brush first before I add anything into the crease and just kind of blend that black out a little bit. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of a bigger blending brush, taking that same black and just going a little bit more into the crease just to intensify it. Next, I'm just going to take the Carli Bybel palette, the Deluxe palette, and take this shade right here and go into the crease and blend it a little bit, make it more, that'll be my transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit bigger of a blending brush, not as big as the one that I'm going to use later, but not as small as the one I just used. Taking that black again and just going into the crease and blending the black harsh line up into the crease to kind of have a blowout or blown out look. And you just want to blend until all those harsh lines are gone. So now I'm going to go back in with that smaller brush and a little bit of a skin color shade. I'm going to take this one from the Carli Bybel palette and blend out the very, very top of this. Okay, so I'm just going to take the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation and the NARS Illuminating Illuminator? Yeah. It's just the NARS Illuminator in Copacabana. and I'm going to mix them together because I like the coverage that Marc Jacobs gives me.
It's a lie. I actually hate it.
But I don't like how matte it makes me look. I do like a little bit of glow, and a little goes a long way with this. So I'm just gonna put it on the back of my hand and mix the two together, and I feel like the NARS will also sheer out the foundation a little bit, so that way it's not as like thick.
No sis, you fucked up.
I have a lot on my hand, so oops. I'm gonna take my Sigma brush and just take it all over on my face. I am probably using a lot as well. Let me try Beauty Blender. See if that helps a little bit. See if that helps a little bit. Now I'm going to take my Chanel concealer and run that underneath my eyes and these bad boys. And blend that in with a beauty blender. Now I'm just going to take the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick Foundation in the color Y535 and use that as contour, cream contour. We're cream contouring today. And contour my face with it. Oh. And maybe my nose. Oh, this might be really dangerous. Okay, I'm scared. Let me blend it with the beauty blender. I'm gonna blend it in with the beauty blender now. Now blend it in, blend it in. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender again and just go in and set my under eyes with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm just gonna warm up my face some more with some bronzer from Guerlain, as usual, the Guerlain bronzer. And I'm going to set my cream bronzer with that. Just warm up my face some more. And oh, you know what? I didn't even contour my forehead. Duh. Sis has got a 9 head. She needs to all the contour she can get. Alright, so now I'm going to take a little bit of blush. Now back to the eyes. To create the oil slick kind of look, I want to take a couple of shimmery shadows or duochrome shadows. So first thing I'm going to do is take the Too Faced Chocolate Chip palette. Anyway, I'm going to be taking this black color. I'm just going to pat that right on my eye. I laid out a little bit extra powder underneath my eyes. We're playing with fire here. So just in case. eyes. I'm gonna take my tried and true Japanesque pixelated colors. And I'm going to probably take this color here and take my brush and just pat that kind of sloppily all over my eye. It's not supposed to be a ay. So now that that's done, I'm going to buff away the powder that was underneath my eye. And then I'm going to take a small flat brush, and take some more black eyeshadow and just run it underneath my lower lash line. And I'm going to take a soft blending brush and just blend that out. Next. Alright, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows and then we'll finish the eyes. I am all over the place. I am dripping everywhere. Yes, I understand this. I do apologize. To be honest, I just completely forgot about my eyebrows until I saw them. Oops. Oh. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Anastasia Brow Pomade. Go a little bit more. There we go, and that is for brow. Alright, now that I have my brows on, I'm just going to, what am I going to do next? Now I'm just going to add some highlighter, probably Bybel palette, this color right here. I might add it to the black. Oh, I'm going to add lashes. I'm going to add these Nameless Ardell ones because I don't know what they're called. Alright, now that we have our lashes on, we can finally do the last step for our eyes, and that is to make it look oily. So we're just going to take a little bit of clear gloss and put that on our eyelids. And just tap it. You're good to go. Alright, last but not least, lips. And I was trying to decide between which two I wanted. And this is the L'Oreal Paris Undeniable Mauve. There we go. This is the finished look. If you enjoyed this, go ahead and give my channel a like, or give this video a like, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you did. I really want you here, want you back, want you watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.
So can you get McDonald's for me today? When I change, and if you drive. Also, what are you talking about? You like my car! This is the fourth time I've gotten you McDonald's.
Cool. Didn't even show up. That was fun. All right.